How to apply coupon code in IndiGo 2026 full guide. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to apply a coupon code in IndiGo step by step, on both the website and the mobile app, so you save money on your very next flight booking. Welcome back, everyone. IndiGo is India's largest airline, and if you're not using promo codes every time you book, you are leaving real money on the table. Today, I am going to walk you through the entire process in under 2 minutes. Let's get into it. Step 1. Find a working promo code first. Before you even open the IndiGo website, grab a verified code. IndiGo promo codes are typically limited to specific routes, fare types, travel windows, and booking channels, and most discounts apply only when you book directly on the IndiGo website or mobile app. Right now, a live example is the code FLYMORE. Customers must apply the coupon code FLYMORE at the time of payment to avail the discount, and this offer is valid for bookings made between 24th June 2026 to 30th June 2026. Always check for the latest active codes before booking. Step 2. Search and select your flight. Go to IndiGo in or open the IndiGo mobile app. Visit the IndiGo website and enter your departure city, destination, and travel dates in the booking widget, then select your preferred flight from the available options. Step 3. Apply your coupon code at checkout. Proceed to the payment page, where you will find a field labeled Enter Promo Code. Paste your IndiGo coupon code into the field and click Apply. Confirm that the discount has been applied and the revised fare is reflected in your total, then choose your preferred payment method and complete the booking. Step 4. Check your booking confirmation. You will receive a booking confirmation with your PNR on your registered email and mobile number. Always screenshot your discounted total before paying so you have proof the code was applied correctly. Now here is your pro tip. Only one promo code can be applied for any booking at a time. The offer cannot be combined with other sales, discounts, or codes, so always pick the code with the biggest discount for your specific route. Also, common reasons a code does not work include the code being expired or having hit its usage cap, the code being route-specific, and your route not being eligible, the code requiring a minimum booking amount, or the code being for a different fare class. If your code fails, clear your browser cache or switch to the mobile app and try again, and that is a wrap. Today you learned how to find a verified IndiGo promo code, how to search and select your flight, how to paste your code at the payment page and confirm the discount, and why codes sometimes fail and how to fix it fast. If this video saved you money today, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a money-saving travel tip, and drop a comment below telling me which route you are booking and how much you saved. See you in the next one.